I'm Isa. Guys, today we're going to unbox the Supercar Roadster Voge. Oh, it has a Super Series. Okay,
And this is biggest one.
it's the Edge Series, ages 6 plus and above.
6 plus.
Yes, and there's a lot of cars to collect.
Where's the 6 plus and above?
Here,
Oh, 6 plus and above.
and
7 years
it's
old.
so cool. I can tell if it's a Ford. It's not written Ford, but I'm calling it a
it's
Ford.
not.
That's
The
cool.
front.
Yeah, it looks like a Ford. So. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the button. Okay, so thanks for watching. Nope, that's it. Bye. Now, bye. So now we'll open this thing.
Battery.
Inside the box, also, we got the remote control. We need to spin this. You don't need screws. Help of your hand. That's done. This is a oh my. No one! I can handle it. No, please don't. Okay, we have to wait for that. Let's get the car part also. Let me do it. Why is it laughing? This Okay, that's not easy. Now take up the car. There we go. The wheels are not air. It's rubber.
This is our favorite plastic. Puppet plastic. You know that song? I know that song.
It's a Ford. Think.
Yes. It is full. These are. Ah! It's the other battery. Where's the other battery?
love it and may like it more. So guys, let's get trying it.
Go, one, go. You want to see my backflip? He's doing the same. Guys, I hope you enjoy our playing with this. Tomorrow in the park, we're going to bring this with us, and we're doing it properly. Also, thank you again. Also, you forgot something. You need to do it. It's more important. You have to click on the subscribe, like, and notification bell. Ah! Oh! Okay, bye, bye, bye. We want to play with this after. Bye.
Oh, the tire looks so soft and flat.
How you rank the car?
First impossible.
I'll give it 10 out of 10.
I'll give it a 9.
So both of you perfect.